How to fix Pinterest sign-in error or Pinterest not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the steps on how to fix the Pinterest sign-in error and get Pinterest working again in no time. So let's just get started. First thing first is make sure you have a proper internet and make sure internet connection is stable. Sometimes issues with the Pinterest can be caused by weak Wi-Fi or data as well. So see if your internet is properly working or not. If that is not the issue, what you can do is try closing the Pinterest app, restart it, and open it again and see if that works. If you're on a browser, try refreshing the page. That is a simple step that can often fix the minor glitches. Next thing is look up for updates if any kind of update is available. Go to Play Store, your available app store, and search for Pinterest, and if there is any kind of update available, just make sure to update it to the latest version. Apart from that, the next thing we can do is go ahead and clear the cache. Go to the info section and clear the cache on your app or browser. Over time, the apps and browsers can accumulate data that can cause those kind of errors. So let's just fix by clearing up the cache. After that, if you're still having trouble logging in, it might be a password issue. Reset up your password, and if none of those work, you can try switching up to another device because sometimes the issue can be device specific, so switching to another platform could help. Alright, those are the main troubleshooting steps to fix your Pinterest sign-in error. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.